Right about now, I don't give a fuck. It's the Grind Volume 2. Capital G. Throw it up. I'm on the block right now. Block right now. I'm on the block right now. Block right now. See me, I'm a hustler, you a YouTuber. I push keys, you push the keys on your computer. Just pop shit, got a mouth like manure. I cement block shoe ya, see if you can scuba. Been nice since the Sprite commercial with Grand Pooba. I'm coming for that #1 slot, Luda. Yeah, I got a crew, but at times my own shooter. I keep that Hell Rail on my waist, Ruger. Street, so I never let this game get me souped up. Moved out, but still got the keys like a super. Used to dream of cars, but now I got a slew. House with a garage full of V1 tours. Y'all niggas just talk, I'm a doer. Swagger like B.I. a year before he died, but cuter. Your little niggas can't measure up to the ruler. Life's a bitch, but don't nobody wanna lose her. Y'all wanna die? Block right now. I'm on the block right now. Block right now. I'm on the block right now. Block, y'all. Screw y'all. Screw y'all. I just take a nigga beat and play with it and make a mockery of it. Shout out to Snoop though. I fucks with you. See, I fuck with bitches born with a pussy and 2 breasts. Not bitches born with 2 balls and pussy in their chest. Niggas hearts pump Nestea, but they play Pesci. Test me, I let the tech squeeze. I'm quick as Nestle. In my own league, let's not question who the best be. I'm so many steps ahead, these niggas need a plane to catch me. What's the game? Less me. Till they later arrest me. My money come in bags, not a duffel. Hefty. Rap don't work, I get a couple. From Peppy, Roscoe, ducking Donnie Brasco's Lefty. I'ma have haters wet dreaming that they left me. When I take they re-up and blow it on a bezzy. 1 phone call, my niggas jumping out of Chevys. On site to turn off Teddy, strikes like referees. New York's next king, call me Fresh P. You could be my butler, Jeffrey. I'm just having fun. Why niggas in Ohio too? Jersey. Miss Linda's son coming on the block everywhere. I'm comfortable in my own skin. Got gangster within.
LA Love.
We out of here.
Yeah. Y'all know. Alright. Now that we got your attention, now that your sunroof is open, now that your windows is all the way down, now let's go.